Guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can install and set up NetBeans IDE on your Windows operating system. So let's get started and let's see how we can do it. The prerequisite of installing NetBeans IDE is that you need to have Java installed on your Windows operating system. So if you don't have Java JDK, just install it. And if you don't know how to install Java JDK, I've already created a video on this topic and I will put that link in the description so you can watch that video and install Java on your Windows operating system. So once you have Java, we are ready to install NetBeans IDE. So for that, open your favorite browser and search for NetBeans, and the first link which will appear here will be from netbeans.apache.org. So we are going to click on this link, and here you can see this Apache NetBeans web page. Also on this page, you can see this download button. So I'm going to click on this download button, which is going to redirect us to the downloads page here. So now we have few options. We have the option to install binary or source. And when you scroll down a little, you also have the option to install. So you can see this option, which is for installing the NetBeans IDE for Windows, macOS, or Linux. So just click on this link under installers and packages. And once you click on that link, you will see the option to install the NetBeans IDE exe file, right? So you can see this option, which says Apache NetBeans 28 plus JDK 25. So I'm going to click on this link, which is under Windows x86-64, which is going to start the download of this Apache NetBeans 28 exe file. It's around 506 megabyte file. It's around 506 megabyte file, so I will wait for the download to finish. And once this exe file is downloaded, we are going to click on this exe file, which is going to start the installation wizard for NetBeans IDE. So now I can see this setup wizard has been started. This will be the default location where Apache NetBeans will be installed on your Windows operating system. So if you don't have the good reason to change this location, just leave it as default and then click on next. And then you have the select additional tasks. So it's going to create the desktop shortcut, which is fine for me. So I'm going to click on next here. And now we can see the ready to install window. So at this point, I'm going to click on install, which is going to start the installation process. So at this point, I just need to wait for this progress bar to reach to the 100% mark. And after a few seconds, I can see this message which says completing the Apache NetBeans setup wizard. That means NetBeans is installed on our Windows operating system. And we can also see this option launch Apache NetBeans. So this checkbox is checked. So when we click on finish, it's going to launch NetBeans. So let me click on the finish button. And now I can see that NetBeans IDE has been launched on my Windows operating system. So the interface is really simple. You can create a new project by just clicking on this option or open the new project or open the new file or create the new file, right? You can also click on file and then from here you can create a new project. So let me click on the file option and then click on new op project here. So we are going to create a very simple Java project. So I'm going to select Java with Maven and the project type will be Java application. And then I'm going to click on next. And then on this next window, I can choose the name of my project. By default, it has given some name to my project. I will leave this project name as it is, but in your case, you might want to change the name of this project, right? This is just a demo video, so I'm going to leave the name of this project as it is, but if you want, you can even change the name of this project, right? This project will be saved in the documents folder under NetBeans projects directory. That's fine for me. If I want to change it, I can use this browse button to change the location. The group ID and the version and the package for Maven looks fine for me. So I'm going to click on the finish option here, which is going to create the project for me. And this project contains one class with the name Maven Project 1. And it also have the public static void main method, which is the main entry point of our program. And it also have this one line, which is for printing the hello world on the console. So once this project is created, you can just click on this run button, which is going to build your project. And once the project is built, it's going to run your project, which means it's going to run this class, which have this hello world message. And after a few seconds, I can see this message, which says hello world. That means Java project has been compiled and it's running fine, right? So this is how you can install and set up NetBeans on your Windows operating system. I hope you've enjoyed this video and I will see you in the next video.